Hey guys, this is David Cabessa from Apple Times. Today I'm going to be showing you guys on some basic tips and steps on how you can use SketchUp to your fullest advantage. Now, if you remember in one of my last videos, I showed you how to make a fountain. Today's video, I'm going to show you something a lot cooler than just a fountain. So there's a very big issue with people on how to make a table and chair. So let me explain to you guys how to do that. Very simple. I'm gonna make. I don't worry about dimensions over here. For now, we're doing basic, and basic is what I'm doing. I made a regular rectangle. Push pull. You can make it this thick. You can make it this thick. I don't really care. I'm gonna make it a nice thickness. And this is gonna be our base. Now our base, we're gonna make it nice thick base, about a couple inches. Okay, so next to our base, we're going to build a table. Now, when you're building, you should always remember that there's always going to be a little defect. Now, get my little tape measure. Okay, so I'm using guides to build myself guides so that when we do put in the next square, we're not going to have any problems, with shape. At least this shape will stay the same. Okay, so at least we know that everything's going to be fine. Now, we're going to take our square, very basic. We're going to put the plus, just click to get the full box. Now you're going to click in the middle also to get it screening. Going to press down the options key on the Mac and hold down the the trackpad at the exact same time. And you're going to let go. Now, I'm professional at this. When you're doing measurements, you should make sure that your measurements are correct and accurate. If they are not, it's going to affect your thing badly. When I mean badly, I mean badly. It will not do the job that you would expect it to do. Let's just put it at that. Now I'm just doing a demo, so it doesn't really matter shape, size, fit. All that matters is that it is. Now also, I'm going to go to edit and press delete guides. Now what we're going to do is also we're going to take push pull tool. You see this is blue. Now when this happens, you cannot do absolutely anything. So you're going to take that. You're going to take your arrow and you're just going to clip on this anywhere the sides over here. You're going to take your push pull down. Now this is how much I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So you're going to press push pull, double click. Remember that, double. Did I double click? Again, 1, 2. 1, 2, and you're good to go. Now you're gonna tell me it's just like an Asian table. I'll show you why. There's a beautiful design you can do, which I use it all the time. What you're gonna do is you're gonna split this in half, which is actually quite nice. Works well. This is many different types of designs you can use. There are hundreds you can use. There's Chinese, there's Oriental, anything you like to do. But there's a little secret. With design, there's failure. And I'll explain to you afterwards why. So we're going to do now. In each of these, we're going to go to the middle and split these again in half. The reason is because we're just finishing up the legs. Now, little secret also, when the legs are put onto a table, most of the time there needs to be room also for the chair that you're going to be making. So, little tip, when you are making a table, make sure that the chair and the table don't look like they've come from two different places. A lot of problems people do. Okay, so the legs are finished. As you can see, it's a nice contemporary design. What we're going to do is also we're going to take offset. We're going to raise it off. I'll explain to you why we're going to be doing that. I'm going to push pull down in there. You can see it's a very nice table design. It's not the best you can make, but it is one of the nice designs you can create. I press translucent because this is kind of futuristic. Put the rim around there, and I like to use oh, those are the olive. Okay. Now that's a very nice table. Okay, so now that we've got the table filled, let me make that into the group, and in the next video, we are going to put in the chair. So, let me put group. Now you can see the entire thing is covered in blue and dots. You're going to go to edit, make a group, and voila. You can resize this. You can make this as many. You can even make this this big. Oh, that's crazy. You can resize this. You can make it huge, fat, big, blah, blah, blah. Make whatever you want to look. You can do crazy things with this. You can even move it around. This is something you can get straight from the warehouse. This is a warehouse model, literally right now. So, thank you guys for watching. I'm David Cabessa from Apple Times. Please leave a big thumbs up, and your comments are really appreciated for the channel. If you have any videos you'd like me to make, or anything, you can please leave in the comments. So yeah, that's basically yep. So guys, see you in the next video for the cheer. All right, guys, that's all.